Hello everyone, thank you for your interest to our product. I'm going to show you how to install our wireless switch. This is our wireless switch. This is receiver. This is lamp. This is power line. First step, take the receiver, turn around. This is input. This area is output. Make sure that live lamp and neutral lamp connected. Make sure all this lamp is connected well. After the lamp is connected well, then you will see the indicator is flashing. Then the next step is how to pair the switch and our receiver. Press the button for 3 seconds. You will see the indicator is flashing fast. Press any switch as down. If you want to control this lamp with another switch, press it again. 3 seconds.